Type T/TL fuses are designed for use in circuits found in motorized appliances and equipment such as washers, dryers, furnaces or air conditioners. Time delay feature prevents temporary power surges from blowing the fuse unnecessarily. Includes 2 individual 30-amp fuses per pack. Designed to replace standard Type W fuses. UL listed with a 90-day limited warranty for peace of mind. Protect your household appliances with the GE-branded T/TL time delay fuse. These T/TL fuses are designed to screw into standard Edison bases and can replace standard Type W fuses in circuits found in motorized appliances and equipment such as washers, dryers, furnaces or air conditioners. The time delay prevents fuses from blowing unnecessarily when momentary voltage spikes occur. The fuses in this 30-amp 2-pack fit standard fuse blocks, and the varying base sizes prevent the use of wrong amperage. For the utmost in reliability, trust GE-branded T/TL time delay fuses. Top reviews from the United States. Replaced old GE 20-amp house fuse. Used this to replace a blown GE 20-amp glass fuse that was in my shed. Worked 100%.